Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class of class 3. Our today's topic is EMB page 81 word problems 7 and 8. These two word problems I will solve today. Dear students, let us see the question. Mitu had 115 taka 50 paisa. Her father gave her 75 taka 25 paisa. How much money did she have? It means that Mitu had 115 taka 50 paisa. As her father gave her 75 taka 25 paisa. Now if we add these two amount, we will get the total amount what Mitu had. So our solution of first question is addition. So we have to add these two amount. So we can write solution. Mitu had 115 taka 50 paisa. Father gave 75 taka 25 paisa. Now, if we add these two amount, we will get the total money that Mitu had. So we have to add. If we add 50 paisa and 25 paisa, we will get 5 and 0 is 5, 2 and 5 is 7. So 75, this is less than 100, so we will write direct 75 paisa here. Now we have to add 75 taka with 115 paisa. 115 taka with 75 taka. Now if we add these two, 5 and 5 will be 10. So 0, 1 left, 7 and 1 is 8 and remaining 1 is 9. And here is 1. 190 taka 75 paisa. 190 taka 75 paisa. This is the total amount, therefore total. It means that total Mitu had 190 taka 75 paisa. Our question is how much money did she have? It means that therefore Mitu had, we can write therefore Mitu had 190 taka 75 paisa in total. So our answer for this question is 190 taka 75 paisa. Okay dear students, I hope you have understood solution of question 7. Now I will go to question 8. Question 8 is Ria went to shop with 100 taka. 100 taka means paisa is not mentioned here. It means that 00 paisa. It means that Ria went to a shop with 100 taka 00 paisa. She bought a book with 69 taka 65 paisa. How much money was left with her? It means that Mitu went to a shop and bought a book. So she has to pay the price of book to the shopkeeper. If she pay the price of book from his money 100 taka, she will get some money. Shopkeeper will return some money to her, that will be her remaining money. Our question is, how much money was left with her? The returning money of shopkeeper will be the remaining amount. It means the money left with her. So, solution of this question will be subtraction. So, we can write Ria had 100 taka 00 paisa. As paisa is not mentioned here, we have to write 00 paisa. Price of book that is 69 taka 65 paisa. Now we have to subtract. If we subtract, we will get the required answer. It means that therefore left. If we subtract, we will get the remaining money. Now subtract 65 from 00. Is it possible to subtract? No. So we have to consider here 1 taka. 1 taka means 100 paisa. So if we subtract 65 from 100, we will get 5 here, 3 here. So 35 paisa remaining. Here we can write 35 paisa. Now we have to subtract this amount from this amount, but I have taken 1 as here was 0. I have taken 1 taka. So we have to give that 1 taka here. So this will be 70 taka. It means that we have to subtract 70 from 100. We have to subtract 70 from 100. If we subtract, we will get here 0 and 3. It means that left 30 taka 35 paisa. Dear students, at first you have to remember that you have to read the question very carefully. You have to identify what is given and what you have to find out. Then you have to decide you need to do addition or subtraction. And we can write from this information. If we do the subtraction, we will get the required answer. So we can write therefore Ria was left with 30 taka 35 paisa. This is our required answer for question 8. 30 taka 35 paisa. Dear students, I have understood our today's solution of question 7 and 8. Solve this question as your homework in your homework copy. Submit your assigned homework in next Sunday. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again, inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.